Hi, I'm Joe. I am an artificially generated newscaster, and today I want to highlight an interesting experiment some of my fellow humans at Cybernews did recently. The experiment ran like this. They installed 100 of the most popular apps on a factory reset Android phone. Then they gave the apps all the permissions they required and left them running for 3 days. The idea was to see the logs of what servers the apps contacted and how often. Can you guess what happened? Well, first of all, the phone became practically unusable thanks to all the notifications popping up. But that's not even the biggest problem. The apps contacted something 6,296 times, which is once every 37 seconds on average, sending hundreds of megabytes of data. In fact, the phone was constantly in touch with every cloud service you ever heard and many you did not even think existed. TikTok took the crown here, relentlessly sending truckloads of information back and forth. Facebook and Google weren't that far down the list, though. But some of the servers the apps contacted were in the countries you wouldn't expect. Loads of information got sent to Russia, Vietnam, and others, despite none of the apps officially being created by the developers from there. The servers the phone sent data to belong to various advertising companies that vacuumed everything they could get their proverbial hands on. That's basically what you consent to when you agree to let apps share their data with third-party advertisers. In general, the experiment did not produce any unexpected results. We all knew apps siphon your data and sell it to every corner of the earth. But the scale of that turned out to be quite staggering, and it's yet another reminder of what happens if you mindlessly click agree on everything you see. If you want to read the full article about the experiment, the link is in the description. I hope you've enjoyed this special episode of News with Joe. You can find the previous episodes right here. See you in the next one.